Hello, my loves. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Kensthetic with the Kensthetic. And in today's video, I want to show you guys my wash day prep that I've been doing to help promote hair growth. I'm going to show you guys how I make each and every one of my DIY hair recipes, as well as how I use them in my type 4 natural hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing my wash day prep, go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. Turn on your bell notification so you never miss any of my videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna get started by first making our rosemary water. I love rosemary water on my type 4 natural hair. In order to make this recipe, you're gonna add in 3 cups of water to a pot, and then I'm going to add in a whole pack of rosemary leaves, which I purchased from my local supermarket. You're gonna add everything into this pot before putting the fire on, and I go ahead and let this mixture boil for 10 minutes. You want to make sure that you leave it on for 10 minutes or less, because if you leave it on for over 10 minutes, the water is essentially going to start evaporating and you won't have as much product to use in your natural hair. I allow this to boil, and after 10 minutes, I go ahead and cut the fire off and set my pot aside to cool off before I go ahead and distribute it into my bottles. This is super important because you want to make sure the mixture is cool before you put it into any type of plastic bottle, because it will melt. I use this mist bottle that I purchased from Walmart. I will have a link down below. And I use a funnel to make sure that I get the mixture directly into the mist bottle. I like to put this mixture directly into this mist bottle because this is the bottle that I use to distribute it to my hair throughout the week. You want to make sure that in order to store this mixture, you put it in the refrigerator whenever you're not using it. Next up, we're going to make my aloe and coconut water mixture. I love aloe and coconut water on my natural hair. They are both great hydrators for natural hair. I start off by chopping my aloe into smaller pieces to make it easier to basically like de-shell the aloe. So after I cut my aloe into smaller pieces, the way that I like to cut my aloe, because baby, one thing about aloe is it is slippery, so you want to make sure you are super careful. We don't need anybody losing a finger over this mixture, okay? I like to cut the spiky sides off, and then I like to go in and basically peel the skin off of each side of my aloe chunk, and I'm left with the aloe gel. And I go ahead and put my aloe chunk directly into the blender because we're eventually going to blend the aloe and coconut water mixture. And I feel like when you leave the aloe sitting around, it just be sweating, girl. So I'm gonna take a little bit of coconut water. I put in about a quarter cup of coconut water into my blender to mix with my aloe, and I go ahead and blend this mixture. Baby, this is how it has to look, a little cummy, okay? And then I go ahead and put it into this applicator bottle that I bought off of Amazon. I will have a link down below. Love this bottle because it has a comb applicator, so you can get it directly where you need it to go in your hair. And once again, whenever you're not using this mixture, make sure you store in the refrigerator. Last but not least, we're gonna make some flaxseed gel. I go ahead and put in a cup and a half of water, and I put in half a cup of flax seeds. I purchased my flax seeds from the Houston Farmers Market. You can find it at the farmers market or your local grocery store, but you want to make sure you use whole flax seeds for this recipe. I go ahead and let this mixture boil until we get a mucousy consistency in our pot. So I boiled it at first and it was still a little watery, wasn't that mucousy, but now baby, y'all see that mucus. Y'all see that mucus is nice and thick, okay? That's how you want it to look, and that's when you know the mixture is ready. I go ahead and use a strainer and a glass bowl, and this time I think I made it get too thick because it wasn't as easy to get the mixture into the bowl, but I just used the back of my spoon to push the mixture through the strainer, and I allowed the flax gel to cool before using my funnel to put it into another applicator bottle. I like to use an applicator bottle for the flaxseed gel as well, because once again, I'm able to get it directly where I need it to go once it's time to put it into my hair. So after I make all of these recipes, we have everything that we're gonna need in order to prep our hair for wash day. So we're gonna go ahead and get in the bathroom, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I use each of these products. So I have my hair in these braids. I just threw it in because I wasn't doing anything with my hair. I wasn't going anywhere. Nobody was seeing me. So I said, let me just moisturize my hair with some leave-in conditioner and put it into some braids. And low key, I was sad that I was washing my hair or prepping my hair for wash day, because this braid out ate down. Like, excuse me, the definition, the moisture, yeah, I'm gonna have to do this again. I'm gonna have to run it back during a time where I can actually wear it out. So we're gonna prep my hair for wash day. I do this routine each and every time I have to wash my hair before getting into the shower. So I'm gonna start off by separating my hair into sections because it makes it easier to distribute each product. And first I'm going in with my rosemary water. I like to concentrate this on my roots because that's the area that we want to grow. And then I'm going in with my aloe and coconut water mixture. I'm applying it throughout my hair and I'm just working it in. I want to make sure my hair is nice and saturated. That's when I know that I have applied enough product into my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my flaxseed gel and distribute that throughout my hair and work it in. I like to take my time and finger detangle and also make sure that the product is distributed evenly throughout the strands of my hair, and baby, the curls start to pop immediately. Now I'm going in with this oil mixture. This oil is sold by my sister here by _Kimmy, and it's a concoction of oils to help promote hair growth. I apply it onto my scalp and work the excess throughout the strands of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and follow these steps throughout the rest of my hair. I like to work in small sections just to make sure that I get to evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. But I wanted to speak to you guys real quick about this wash day prep. So as I mentioned earlier, I do this each and every wash day before I get into the shower. I do not play any games like Sarani, okay? Doing a routine to your hair before you get in the shower to wash your hair has been such a game changer in my hair, the overall health of my hair, promoting hair growth. Like, I can't believe that there was a point of time where I was not doing any of these steps before getting into the shower to wash my hair. And I do let this concoction sit on my hair overnight, and then I will wash my hair the following morning. So to walk you guys through the benefits of each step of this wash day prep, the benefits of rosemary is that it helps with hair growth. It helps with dandruff. So if you have a flaky scalp, rosemary water will get you all the way together. It has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps with the overall health of your scalp. And you want to make sure your scalp is nice and healthy because that's where our hair grows from, and it's overall the foundation of our hair growth, right? It helps with hair strength and the shine of your hair, baby. This pre-wash concoction, my hair has never been this shiny before. Like, I didn't realize my hair was dull until I started to do these steps. It helps with frizz, it also helps with premature graying, and it helps with alopecia as well. The mixture of aloe and coconut water helps to moisturize our hair. That is the main benefit that you're gonna get from that aloe and coconut water mixture. It makes detangling super easy. It helps to promote hair growth. It helps with reducing hair loss. It also helps to treat dandruff and any type of like scalp infection. And it's chemical free, which I absolutely love. I love to make this mixture myself because there are options on the market, but when you look at the label in the back, baby, they have all types of other things mixed in there. And I'm like, all I need is the aloe and the coconut water. So I decided to start making this mixture myself, and I've absolutely been enjoying it. It is honestly my favorite of the three. I ain't even gonna lie. And the benefits of the flaxseed gel on our natural hair is that it helps to promote hair growth by nourishing our hair follicles. It helps to moisturize and hydrate the scalp. It helps at reducing frizz. It helps to define curls. Baby, as you guys can see as I'm working throughout my hair, once I add that flaxseed gel, the curls just start to pop. Like, they pop immediately, and I absolutely love that. It helps to prevent breakage. Baby, as you can see, we have some of that we're working on. and it also helps to add shine and strengthen the natural hair. So as you guys can hear from each one of these natural ingredients that we included in our DIY recipes, we're getting a lot of positive benefits for our natural hair. So I like to do this step, as I mentioned, before each and every wash day. I wash my hair once a week. I either wash my hair on a Thursday, Friday, or a Saturday. I try to keep it consistent so that I can always remember, like, hey, it's Thursday, I bet it's wash day, you know? So if you guys don't use a pre-wash system or treatment to your natural hair, I hope that by watching this video, you guys are inspired to not only start doing a pre-wash treatment, but try making these recipes yourself. They're super easy to make. The ingredients are super affordable and accessible. You can get almost everything that I mentioned that I used to make these recipes at your local supermarket or farmer's market. I like to shop for things that I can find at my farmer's market because they are usually more affordably priced than purchasing them from my local supermarket. So make sure you guys check out your local farmers markets. And as I mentioned, the bottles that I use, they're super affordable from Amazon and from Walmart. I highly recommend this applicator bottle for anything that has like a gooey or a jelly consistency, because it's just easier to distribute rather than putting it into a jar and then you end up applying too much product to your hair. I love these applicator bottles. 10 out of 10 recommend. So I go ahead and work the product into my hair. I like to take my time, and after I go ahead and apply all of the products plus the oil, I like to take some time to massage my scalp. Massaging your scalp when you are treating your hair helps to overall increase your blood circulation, which in turn helps to promote more hair growth. So you want to make sure that somewhere in your treatment steps of your wash day process, you take at least 2 minutes and just use your fingers and gently massage your scalp. It will help promote more hair growth. So I highly recommend that if you guys are doing this routine or any type of other treatment to your hair, make sure you are massaging your scalp. Look at the definition of these curls. Like, I'm literally mind blown, because there was honestly a point of my hair journey where I convinced myself, because you know we be working so hard against ourselves, so we have the capability to do everything that we can while we are on this earth. Okay, there was a point of time where I convinced myself, like, girl, your curls will never pop. Like, I had severe heat damage. If you guys have not checked out my whole hair journey, I will link that video up above in the cards as well as down below in the description box. But you guys, I suffered from severe heat damage, and as I was restoring my hair, I was always like, okay, my hair is gonna be thick again, but my curls are never gonna pop. I don't have curls like that. And somewhere throughout the journey, I was able to get my curls to look like this. Baby, I would have never thought. I would have never ever thought that my curls would be able to pop like this, but they do. So if you have the same thoughts of my old self, like, my hair will never get to a healthy state where my curls will be defined, and your curl definition is going to vary. Okay, don't look at anybody else's curl definition and be like, I want my hair to curl like that, because each and every one of our manes are beautiful and different. So always remember that. So after I do my scalp massage, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up into 4 buns, and this is how I will sleep with the concoction in my hair overnight. So I really hope that you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I will link as many things as I can that I mentioned in today's video down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. I will link the mist bottle, I will link some funnels, I will link the hair applicator bottle down below in the description box, so make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. I definitely wanted to give you guys this video before the end of 2024, because I know that a lot of people plan to work on their natural hair health throughout 2025. And don't worry, because I'm gonna be here to help you guys along your journeys, because I'll be sharing way more natural hair content throughout the year of 2025 and beyond. So with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, hit that red subscribe button down below and join the family. Make sure you turn on your bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. I will be uploading consistently throughout the year of 2025, and I promise you guys, you don't want to miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and comment down below and let me know, What do you guys do to your hair before you get into the shower for wash day? Are you guys currently doing nothing and this video helped you out? Comment down below and share your thoughts and let me know. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Outside.